Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. My name is Azrin Mufris bin Azrin Shah, and my group will present about our project's final report. This is our table of contents. So our system is called the online shopping system, and a little bit of our organization background. The purpose of developing this system is to make shopping more modern and easier. So one of our objectives are to make online shopping seamless and reliable with the help of a simple user interface and navigation. Alright, for our problem statement, the development of this system is mainly to overcome the fact that one has to go out and do their regular shopping activities, such as here, buying essentials, clothes, and food. Now with this system, one only needs to just browse for the items that they want and add it to cart and wait for the items to arrive at their place. And here among our objectives are to provide end users a platform to browse for products that are available in the system, to allow users to see their past purchases or order history. As for our project scopes, some of our modules in the system includes browsing for items, adding them to cart, viewing purchase history, and accepting customer orders. As for the codes of the system, we mainly use HTML codes, CSS for the designing, and MySQL database to keep records of data, such as products and customer details.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amirul Hafizi bin Razali. So this is system specification. First is module or function. The online shopping system is a platform created for users to browse and purchase different types of items and products that are available on the site that are provided by different sellers. The system will allow users to log in to the site, register as seller, and add or take down product with items and add them to cart, generate order info, generate total bill, and make payments. Second is purpose of module. First is input data. The list of input data is logged into the site, register as a seller or customer, add new product, and add item to cart. Second purpose is process involved. All customers have to register an account first before online shopping can be made. Once the customer has successfully registered their account, the customer is allowed to log in the system to make further process. The customer also can make an order for the item they want to purchase. Once they make an order, the system will generate order info and total bill. For the seller, they also have to register an account first before selling an item in the system. Then, they can add or delete items they want to sell in the system. The seller also will receive the shipping order from the customer through the system. Once they receive the shipping order, they have to confirm the order. The last purpose is output data. The list of output data is view item purchase, generate total info, and generate total bill.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I would like to talk about our final project report on system design part 4. So in the system design, there has a data flow diagram, DFD. So first we make a context diagram of online Shopee. As you guys can see, there are 3 types of contact diagrams, such as customer, online shopping system, and admin. Okay, this system has 10 data flow. This system will receive data such as email and password, customer details, add details to cart, view cart list, view order item, and edit account setting from the customer. So this is a relationship between three persons, which is customer, online shopping system, and admin. Next, we move to diagram 0. Diagram 0 is an elaboration from the context diagram. Diagram 0 is made for the details that customer need to do, which is customer details, email and password, add item, view card list, view other items, edit account setting. When customer fill up the data will transfer to the data lab. So next, this is a data dictionary of DFD. Okay, first and foremost, we have to know what is DFD. DFD is a data flow diagram. Is a way of representing a flow of data to a process or a system. The DFD also provide information about the output and input of each entity and the process itself. So, in the first table, this is the requirement that customer need to follow, such as we can see process number 1, when the customer enter our website, he need to create an account. Then the process 2, he need to sign in. Then he can choose any product in our website and check list card. Process number 5, he can view order history. Process number 6, edit account setting. And process number 7 is view item. Okay. Next, we move to documenting the entities. This is for this table for customer and admin. When he entire our website, he need to put her name, her email, and so on. Then we move to the documenting the data flow. The user also need to input the email and password, and then he can sign in. Then he can look the customer details. When he look at the customer details, he can customize the customer details, such as he want to change the name, he want to change her contact number, he want to change anything about detail about her. He can do anything in the customer details. And then add item to cart. Customer can choose any product in our system. Before that, admin need to put the item in our website, and then customer can choose anything in our website, and then customer can view all the items, and then edit account setting and manage customer order. As you guys can see, this is a table for the admin. Admin need to add, remove, and edit item. This to make website more beautiful and a lot of thing that customer needs. Then we move to documenting the data store. This table for the data. When the user input their data, the data store will accept any data from the customer and save it. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Arif bin Muhammad Sabini. I'm from class B, LCS 114B, and my student number is 2020691446. So we're moving on to the 4.2, which is the entity relationship diagram, ERD. So we have the four table here, which is the first one is user, the second one is order detail, and the third one is item, and the last one is admin. So the next one is 4.2.1, which is the data dictionary of ERD. So we can look here. For the first row, we have table name, admin, item, order details, and user. For the second column, we have the attribute, which is the attribute for the admin, for the item, for the order detail, and for the user. And the second column, we have the contents, which is the content for the admin, item, order details, and user. And the data type for the admin, item, order detail, and user. And the last one, which is the PK or FK, we have for the admin, items, order details, and user. So the table above shows the data dictionary of the entity relationship diagram of the system, the detail of the attribute of all the entity. So we can look here the attribute and all the entities of the ERD. So the data type of all the primary keys are int, since it is a unique incrementing value, and its value will always increase by 1 whenever a new item is added to the table. The rest of the attributes are mostly of data type varchars to store text values such as name and address. So other attributes such as a double and dates are used to store numbers for calculation purpose and obtain the current dates. So we're moving on to our last part, to the second last part, which is the 4.3 operating overview. For 4.3.1 functional decomposition diagram. So this is the functional decomposition diagram. So the general function of this system, which is to purchase item online. One, you must first sign in and add item into the cart in the menu prepared by the system before purchasing the item. So the purchase will then be accepted by the admin. So the user can also edit their account setting if they desire causing their info. So to be updated inside the database. The admin, on the other hand, can manage item and accept order made by customers. So we're moving on to the last part, which is the 4.3.2 operating environment. So the minimum system requirement is first software. The operating software we have to Windows 10 or Windows 11. The resolution is set to 1920 as 1080. So the hardware we have we have to use CPUs. The CPU is 6-core Intel or the Core TM i5 11600K. So the RAM is 16GB and the video is AMD Radeon TM RX 570 or NVIDIA GeForce 1650. So that's it for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hakim bin Samsuri, and this is our website, online shopping system. So the first thing customer need to do to use our website is to sign up first if they never use this website. So to sign up, they need to enter their first name, last name, address, email, and password. Then just click the sign up button. So to use our website, then they need to sign in. Just enter their email and password. Then click the sign in button. So this is our homepage. So we put our information and picture here. So to shop, they just need to click shop now. And this is all our items that we sell. So to buy, they just need to click add to cart, then click OK. And if they want to buy another item, they can just add to cart. For example, Samsung Galaxy A53, can click OK. Then to see the cart list, click the shopping cart list, and here we show all the cart list. And to order, just click order now, and then the website will calculate the total price that the customer need to pay. Then so previous item order, so this is the page where the customer can see their previous order, but this is the first time that I use this website, then there is no previous order. And then we can also click the account setting to change our information. For example, change our first name, last name, address and password, and then click save to change. And lastly, they can just log out the website by clicking the log out, and then they log out. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Inggim bin Azwani. Okay, I want to present about the admin section for the web. Okay, firstly you must log in for the admin. Okay, after input the ID and the password, click login. Okay, in this page you can see the date of today and the button or logout for admin. Okay, after that you can upload the item you want to sell. Okay, for example, the item is baju. The price is 20 ringgit. Okay, you must input also the image for the item. Okay, open and save it. Okay, the data successfully saved. After that, you can see the item in item management. Okay, this item you can edit. Can edit the name, price and image also. After that, you can also remove the item. Okay, I remove it. Okay, disappear. Okay, for the customer management, you can view the order, reset the order. Okay, you can remove the account also. After that, for the order management, you can see the order of the customer order. Okay, after that you can log out. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.